Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you so much for supporting us.
Today we're going to show you how to do a side pull through braid.
This should only take about 5 minutes depending on the hair texture and the length.
So let's get started.
I went ahead and sectioned her hair off to the side and secured the back with an elastic band just to get it out of my way. And I sectioned this off into a rectangular almost, right from here back and from the crown area back. Anything I mentioned in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I went ahead and wet her hair. You could do this dry if you like, but it works for me better when it's wet. And I also put some gel in her hair. You're gonna go and section her hair into 6 equal parts and secure them off into an elastic band. Try to make it like an inch, a half an inch apart, depending on how big her head is. Okay, so now you have 6 equal ponytails. You're gonna take the first ponytail, you're gonna split it in half. You don't want to split it in half this way, you want to split it in half going backwards. Okay, so you want to split it backwards this way. Then you're going to take the split and take the next ponytail, bring it between the split and secure it off with this ponytail here. You're going to have your model hold the first ponytail right here. So once you secure this ponytail, you're going to take this here and pancake it out very slowly. Very easy. Just pancake it out by holding this ponytail here. So now you're going to take this one here that she was already holding. Put this one down. And you're going to split this in half. Again, I'm going to just put a little water. Split this in half. Take the split. Bring this one here between the split. Have her hold it. Take the split and the next ponytail and bring it together and secure it off with an elastic band. Take this and tug and pull and pancake this out. Now take the one that she was holding, bring it back, split it in half, and this is all repeated until you get to the last section of her hair. Okay, so after I secured the last tail, I'm just gonna let this one go. You can go ahead and secure both of them together if you like for added security, but I think it'll stay. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate, leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To check out more of our videos, click on over there and there.
Love you guys. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach each other. Bye guys.
Bye.